Perform the indicated operations. We have the 4 basic mathematical operations. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, this time, i-perform natin yung mga operations na pare-pareha lang yung mga fractions na given. Have you observed na pare-pareho lang dito? First fraction, the second fraction, the same, di ba? Later, after showing all the solutions, accordingly, makikita nyo ang difference nilang lahat. Hindi ibig sabihin na magkapare-pareho yung mga fractions, magkapare-pareho din ang mga sagot. No, remember, iba-iba yung mga basic operations. Okay, let me start with addition. Sa addition, i-apply natin yung butterfly method, meaning, yan, 5 times 7, we have 35. Plus, 4 times 3, we have 12. Over 3 times 7, we have 21. Okay? Get the sum doon sa numerator na part. 35 plus 12, we have 47 over 21. But since improper fraction man ito kasi malaki man yung numerator kaysa denominator. May I repeat? Improper fraction ito kasi mas malaki man yung nasa ibabaw. Therefore, ating i-convert sa mixed number. Yung mixed number is composed of a whole number and fraction. Okay. Let us solve here, be. 21 plus 21 equals 42 plus 21, we have 63. Hindi na pwede. Hanggang 42 lang. Dapat hindi lalagpas ng 47. Since 42 lang, dalawang 21 lang yun. Kailangan. Okay? Dalawang 21. Ibig sabihin, dalawang 21 ang 47. So, 2, di ba? 21 plus 21, we have 42. So, ilan ang sobra para maging 47? Plus 42, 5. Di ba 5 yung sobra para magiging 47? Meaning, 5 over, copy yung denominator. 2 and 5 over 21. Okay, recheck natin. 21 times 2, we have 42 plus 5, 47. Okay. I-erase ko muna to. Dito naman tayo sa subtraction. Parehas pa rin yung step, mag-cross multiply. Pero, subtraction lang. Iba lang yung operation na gagamitin. Okay, let's do it. It again, just like what we had during the first operation. So 5 times 7, still the same. 35. Okay? 4 times 3. Remember, minus yan ha, minus. We have 12. Kanina, nag-plus man tayo. This time, mag-minus tayo. Over 3 times 7, we have 21. Okay, subtract. 35 minus 12, we have 23. Okay? (23) over 21. Okay, another improper fraction na naman. Kasi mas malaki man itong numerator. Meaning, i-convert yan sa mixed number. Okay. So, ilan ba ang 21 sa 23? Kung mag-21 plus 21 ka, syempre 42, which hindi acceptable. Kasi 42 yan, dapat hindi lalagpas ng 23. Meaning, 1 lang siya. Okay, 1. Ilan ang sobra para magiging 23? 2. 2 and over 21. Okay. Yan yung final answer natin. Okay, let's check. 21 times 1, 21. Plus 2, 23. Ayan, 23 over 21. Okay? Ito yung final answer natin. And dito na tayo sa multiplication. Sa multiplication, simple lang. Parang ito yata yung pinakamadali sa lahat ng operations na yan. Itong multiplication ang pinakamadali. Bakit? Kasi i-multiply mo lang naman ang numerator at another numerator. Tapos, denominator times another denominator. Let's do it. 5 times 4, you have 20. 3 times 7, we have 21. Okay. Composite number versus odd number. Actually, even number versus odd number. Although, composite man itong dalawa. Mga composite man ito. Ibig sabihin, 2 or more factors ang meron sila. Pero since composite, then even, and then odd numbers, pero proper fraction man sila, wala na silang ibang common factor kundi 1. And there's no other factors pag sila lang dalawa ang i-simplify. 1 lang talaga ang factors nila. Oh. So since 1, no need na. Yan na yung final answer. 20 over 21. Okay? The last but not the least, itong division. Okay. Yung division, kung simple lang yung multiplication, how much more itong division? Eh, magkapareho lang naman sila halos. All you have to do is i-copy lang to. Okay, i-copy. 5/3. Then ito, gawing multiplication, times yan. Then itong pangalawang fraction, okay, I-flip natin yan. Okay? From 4/7 magiging 7/4. Then, start na. Okay, do the same thing sa multiplication concept. Okay? So, 5 times 7, we have 35 over 12. Or, kasi improper fraction man yan. Now, ilang 12 ba sa 35? Okay? 12 plus 12 plus 24 plus 12 equals 36. Oops! Hindi na pwede yan. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Therefore, dalawa lang ang 12 sa 35. 2, di ba 24 man? So, 35 minus, ito man, ito. 35 minus 24. Para makikita natin kung ilan ang sobra. Para magiging 35. So, 11. So, 11 over. Yan. 12. Yung copy yung denominator. Okay. We have now our final answer. Okay, let's check. 12 times 2. Or 24. 24 plus 11. We have 35. Meaning, the final answer is 2 and 11 12s. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kahit iba-iba yung operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Pero, all of them end up with different answers. So, di ba? Hindi ibig sabihin na magkapareho sila ng mga problems. Magkapare-pareho din ang sagot. Okay? O wala tayong violation ng gawa, di ba? As long as you have not violated the rules of each operation, tatama ka talaga. Okay? Di ba? Sa addition, no, iba yung sagot. Sa subtraction, iba din yung sagot. Sa multiplication, iba din. Then here comes the division. The quotient. Okay. The answer is the product. Okay. Dito naman, quotient. Dito is, ang sagot dyan ay difference. Dito naman sa addition, ang sagot dyan ay sum of fractions. Difference of fractions, product of fractions, and quotient of fractions. Sana may naintindihan kayo. Maraming salamat.